At Navis, we believe to improve is to embrace change. Introducing Navis Ivion. Designed for laser scanning and AEC professionals, Navis Ivion Core enables virtual access and interaction with scan spaces. With all the existing features of Navis Indoor Viewer, such as point cloud download and virtual measurements, Navis Ivion Core offers both a refreshed look and brand new features. The new multi-site functionality means you can now view and manage multiple projects in one space and from one account. Get an overview of every project and painlessly navigate between buildings and sites. Make things simpler and create individual site coordinate systems for your projects. You can now upload, view, and download data in a consistent local coordinate system for each individual site. Downloaded point clouds will immediately match your corresponding BIM or CAD data when importing to third-party software, optimizing registration workflows. Navis Ivion Core also offers an updated user management system. Manage projects with greater clarity and control. Set up user permissions for each site and manage stakeholder access on multiple levels. Navis Ivion Core. Add more value to buildings and assets.